you. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, I've waited so long for you. Is it really me?
It's all yours.
Oh my goodness, oh baby.
In the room today, we invited a group of folks who have seen it all. They've lived through the ups and downs, the triumphs and the heartaches. They have a certain kind of dignity that only comes with time. And across from them, we've brought in some special souls from the local shelter. These dogs have their own stories, too. Some have been lost, some forgotten. But all of them are looking for the same thing we are: to be seen. Notice there's no pressure here. No one is performing. There are no fancy tricks or loud commands. We wanted to see what happens when two experienced souls simply sit in the same space. A dog doesn't care about your titles or your retirement plan. They aren't looking at your age. They are looking at your essence. They are waiting for that one person whose energy feels like home. It's a search for a partner who understands that sometimes the best conversations happen without saying a single word. Watch closely as the dogs begin to move. It's a slow dance of intuition. They walk past some, linger near others, and then there it is, the moment of eye contact. In that split second, a bridge is built. When you look into the eyes of a dog who has chosen you, it's like they're saying, "I see you." Not just the person the world sees, but the real you. For someone who might have started to feel a bit invisible in a fast-paced world, that gaze is everything. It's a powerful validation. It tells you that your presence still matters deeply. You can see the shift in the room, the way a shoulder relaxes, the way a smile reaches the eyes for the first time in a long time. It's not just about a dog finding a home. It's about a person finding a confidant, a partner who will listen to your stories, share your quiet afternoons, and never judge a single gray hair. Think about what happens after they leave this room. A dog brings a new rhythm to the house. Suddenly, there's a reason to step outside and feel the morning air on your face. There's a reason to walk down to the park and maybe strike up a conversation with a neighbor you haven't spoken to in months. They give us a sense of purpose that isn't tied to a clock or a deadline. It's the simple things. The sound of paws on the floorboards, the weight of a head resting on your knee while you read, the unconditional loyalty that greets you even if you've only been gone for 5 minutes. They remind us that life is lived in the present. They don't look back at the past with regret, and they don't look toward the future with anxiety. They just want to be with you, right here, right now. And in this stage of our journey, isn't that the greatest gift of all? Someone who truly wants to share the path with us, exactly as we are, as we watch these new bonds form. It's a beautiful reminder that our hearts never lose their capacity for friendship. Our stories are far from over. They're just becoming more meaningful. If you're sitting at home today and the house feels a little too quiet, just remember, there is a pair of eyes out there waiting to meet yours. There is a loyal heart waiting for your signal. You don't need to change who you are. You just need to be there. Because love doesn't count the years, it counts the moments. And for these new partners, the best moments are still to come. Thank you for spending this time with us, and for remembering that no matter where we are on the road, we never have to walk it alone. To new beginnings, and to the friends who make them possible.
You big feet. Oh, yeah. Oh, little one, you picked me? Oh.
Sweetheart, really me?
He's all yours.
Oh, baby.
Congratulations.
You serious, Pop? Oh, my. Hey there. Oh, you're coming home with me, huh? Oh, sweetheart, is it really me? It's you. She's all yours.
Congratulations! Oh my goodness, thank you.
Oh, you're home now.
Oh, hi there.
There's a husband.
Oh my goodness, you picked me, baby.
Oh, hey there, little one. You picked me? Huh? Oh, okay then.
That's so sweet.
Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah, you are.
Congratulations. I waited years for you. Oh, sweet boy.
Oh, hey there, fella. You serious, pup? Yeah, me too. Hey there, buddy. Miss you, puppy.
That's so sweet. Sweetheart, really me? She picked you. Oh my goodness.
That's your girl. Oh, my God. You picked Grandpa, huh?
She sure did.
Oh, sweetheart, thank you. Pup? You serious, pup? Oh. Oh, you're something else.
He's all yours.
Thank you, little one.
He's got you, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, darling. Thank you.
Beautiful moment, folks.
Oh, honey. Thank you. You're coming home with me, aren't you? I've waited for you. Oh, that's so sweet. Coming home. You picked me, baby. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, that's beautiful. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, buddy. You picked Grandpa. That's it. That's the one.
You chose me, baby.
There you go. That's it.
Oh my goodness.